Sometimes when you have a chart image from a paper or a book and you want to know the approximated value at an exact point, you usually rely on just looking at it with your eyes or using some very specific tools to try to get the exact value from where you're pointing at. Here in this video, I'm going to show you an app, which the link is here in the description, where you can upload a chart image and get a polynomial function for the curve. Then, you can use the function in your script or simply get the x and y values corresponding to any point you want. First, you just take a screenshot of the chart you want to use and then upload it here to the app. I'll use this chart here as the first example. Once I upload the image, I will set things up. Here, I want to get the KE curve. So I will check the minimum and maximum values for x and y on the chart. For y, I have a maximum value of 1 and a minimum of 0. And for x, I have also a final value of 1 and initial value of 0. However, if I click apply here with the image the way it is, I won't get the result I want, because the image is full of unnecessary information, so I will use the brush here to clean the image, removing the axes, the text, numbers, and all the noise. You can change the brush size here to make the cleaning easier. If you want to undo something, you can click here on this arrow. And if you want to remove all the paint, you can click here on the trash can. Now clicking on apply and going here to the results tab, I get the functions for the curves with their relative errors. They're ranked from the smallest error to the largest. You can visualize and copy the function you want, or you can enter x to get y, or vice versa. And you can download the Excel file for this curve as well. Now I use another example. If you want to upload the image to avoid bugs before uploading the new one, click here on this X. For this new chart here, I have different initial and final values for X and Y. So I will adjust the setup here to make things easier. I will choose X from 80 to 150. Now I have the functions in the results tab, but as you can see, none of them really match the curve shape. So I will increase the polynomial degree to get better results. You can also download the edited image here if you want to save your cleaned up version. And finally, once you have the results, you can copy any of the generated polynomial equations directly into your own Python scripts to calculate values at any point you need. You can also customize the plots in Python if you want a cleaner, more detailed visualization. And if you prefer working in Excel, you can also export a full dataset and build your own charts or apply additional analysis there. And that's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.